Body fangs walk through the bush. Guys, can you smell that? Yeah, there's a bloody predator in the bushes. Yeah, but it's the good type. Okay, today I'm installing the new Predator Stealth roof rack on my Duster. This thing is going to be more bloody tougher than a tiger at a spitbraai. Come with me.
Alright then, let's see what we got to do here today. Then we got to put a little rack on that roof on there in that car. We got to so we can do it right.
What the video? He needs to go for sape and Yala in a bathtub. No, don't worry. Pull yourself towards yourself there, okay? It's Gloucester. No, English from English, but not English from kind of very far.
Right then, you take this here bracket, slip it over them nipples. Slip that washer over them nipples. Then you take your nuts, and you tighten them onto the nipple like that.
Die wat? Can you hear this ook? Put your nut on a nipple. Nee, chom. I better give him some boertjie hands here. Bring out the predator in you. Okay, so you take the washer and you druk it here. Dis 'n washer. En hierdie is 'n moer man. Ja. Nou mes nou vas. Jette. Oh, wat hy. Quick assembly. Soos 'n arend.
Right, now we assembled this thing, alright? We're going to flip it over nice and gentle, right? Just like you do your Sunday roast.
What? Did he say roast or goat? Make it bloody simple, okay? Turn a choppy, you just flip it. Okay, like I say, you take it in from behind, okay?
Stronger, quieter, sexier.
Okay, let me just translate that for you. Okay, the oak from British land says it's stronger, quieter, and sexier. In other words, stronger than my clean mother's voice at a rugby match. Quieter than a lazy horse going through the bushes. Yeah, and sexier than a hippopotamus with a G-string. Jette! I'm bloody impressed with my new Predator off-road stealth roof rack. Nice, eh?
Yeah, this bloody boy.
Okay, thanks.